Hola clase, hoy nos vamos a enfocar en los objetos en el cielo. Today we will focus on the objects in the sky. Y hoy específicamente vamos a hablar de la luna, the moon, la luna. Vamos a hablar, we will talk about the moon, la luna. ¿Puedes repetir eso? Can you repeat this? Luna, luna, la luna. Ok, muy bien. Quiero que ustedes miren esta foto. Look at this picture here next to me. Es una foto de la luna. It's a picture of the moon. Quiero que tú piensas, ¿la luna siempre se mira así? Does the moon always look like this? ¿Siempre se mira así la luna? Think about it, piénsalo. Y luego, con una pareja en la escuela, habla de si tú ves la luna siempre así o no. ¿Y por qué? So with a partner, I want you to talk to about does the moon always look like this and tell your partner why you think so or why you don't think so. Si estás en la casa, puedes hablar con tus papás o con un hermano o con un peluche o con una mascota. If you're at home, you can talk to your parents, to a sister, a brother, grandparents, an adult. You can also talk to your stuffed animal, or you can talk to your dog or your cat. Of why does the moon always look like this, and why do you think it always look like this, or why do you not think that it always looks like this? So te voy a dar 3 minutos. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to talk about it.